It is December 16th. Is it really the 16th already? Holy cow, yes it is. December 16th.
Oh, today's my sister's birthday.
Oh, well, you should call your sister and say happy birthday. Here, you want to say happy birthday to her on the channel?
Happy birthday, Donna.
So anyway, we're up here. I've thoroughly confused my wife by giving her way too much information. I'm a little scattered brain this morning, I'm afraid. So anyway, she's up here. She's gonna be working, yeah, where she always works. You know, that's all she ever does is in her little hole right there. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna get a bed, everything. It's kind of like Harry Potter's cupboard. it's her little spot. Anyway, let's see. We did the painting. Well, we did the primer painting yesterday, and it's nice and dry. And we actually, well, it's supposed to rain some point today, but we'll see. But overall, it seems that everything seems to have done quite well out here. It's all nice and dry, so now we gotta wait 24 hours so we can put the next coat on. So we won't be working on that today. I think I'm gonna be working on some odds and ends. Actually, gotta straighten up a little bit. We got a bunch of parts and stuff in, so I'm gonna be doing that and whatnot. So nothing real exciting, I'm afraid. So anyway, later. Okay, so Jeannie has finished wiring the wipers. So the wiper relay box is there, the wiper terminal strips there, all the wires coming down, and we have the two switches. I don't have the, gotta get some custom label switches, but right now we have a headlight and we still got the plumbing for the tank to do. But anyway, so you got wiper power over here. So that's the 15 amps to power the three wipers, which is on at the moment. And then over here, if we do one click up, we get slow. So there's slow, all the wipers moving and slow and whatnot. And if we go up one more, we get fast, although the center one goes much faster than the two side ones. And finally we can go back to slow and then to park. And so in that one we want to take that one, we got to take it off the wall, change its parking cam so it parks over here, but those two park quite nicely. So that seems to be working. The little motor down below, see if I can get it to run. Yeah, there's the wiper motor. So it's working, and then this, we have not hooked this up though. It's going to be an intermittent where you push it once, they'll go every 5 seconds, you push it again, 3 seconds, down to 1 second. And then if you need it more than every 1 second, then you go to the slow. Anyway, that is the wipers. Appear to be working. Jeannie did a great job getting it all wired up, and we just got to do some cleanup and whatnot. Get ready. Yeah, there she is, patting her on the back. Anyway, so the next day we're gonna start cleaning up the navigation and start getting all these build switches in. So that'll be the next step. So, come here. Later. Okay, afternoon. So let's see. We spent most of the day working on the bilge and remote battery switches terminal box, getting it installed and getting this area cleaned up. So as you see, we've kind of cleaned up the navigation area. We also put the navigation on a separate NEMA network. So now we have the C-Zone NEMA network, which still needs some cleaning up over there in this one. And that's by no means is that all of the NEMA network. This is just the stuff up here in the Pilothouse. There's quite a few. I think there's 21 modules total on the NEMA network. Anyway, and as you see, the Simrad system's all up and running right now. So everything seems to be working again now that we've cleaned it up. And there are all of the bilge lines, which Jeannie will start running tomorrow while I do some painting after we survive our rain and everything. And you can see those switches are actually being used. So, and actually, when I'm not painting, I'm going to be cutting out all the things across that panel there. Anyway, that's all the fun. So, and I'm going to kill the nav. Bye, nav. It will go off. Nope, boop, there it goes. Okay, well, that's about it. So It's getting dark. There's a big storm rolling in. Should be here in a little while, but we will deal with that tomorrow. Later. Good morning. So let's see. Jeannie is going to start with wiring up bilge and remote battery switches. There's that wire. Oh yeah. There's her drawing. And then I had the schematic of the bilge pump system, so we know how to actually wire up the switches once we get to the switches being in. Okay, so you're going to be up here working on that, and I am going to be, if you wander down, I am going to be out here painting this. Gonna paint our lemon windlass. Anyway, so we'll paint that puppy and we'll get the white on that. Just need to vacuum it right now. Okay, well, we finished the painting, well, at least as much of the painting we can do. But I mean, it's still seeing gray through there. So I don't know. Looks like you gotta let it dry completely. Give it a light sand maybe, and then another coat. Yeah, because I can still see the zinc chromate through that. Of course, it's getting rained on now, so that's not helping anything. And that doesn't help either. Get down. Good morning. It is a bright and chilly morning here in Central Florida on board Blue Sky. We are getting ready to, let's see, Jeannie is going to continue with all of the bilge pump and remote battery switch wiring and whatnot. And I am going to drop those two upper panels and cover them in melamine and whatnot, so they'll have a black, and then we're gonna cut out all the holes for these different things and whatnot.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Just lean it up against the wall.
No.
Yeah.
Let's not waste time.
Hey, they used up a ½ inch. By the way, they fabricated it. Could have been done.
Good.
Got it. Okay. Apparently. Holy cow. Actually use it. Nope, I didn't use great. At least. Well, we